All right, I am here on page 126. So make sure you have your workbooks out to page 126. And we'll get started here at the top. It says work out using the same methods used in part 5. So I have for part A, I have 84 times 5. And I need to take this 5 and make it a division problem. So I can think of this as 84 times 10 divided by 2. And then I can simplify this part as 840 divided by 2. And now it's pretty simple. Okay, so I can easily see that that is 420. Alrighty, so you can write 420 on this line here. Alright, and then for 286 times 5, I can think of this as a division problem again. I can say this is 286, and that's going to be times 10 divided by 2. Okay, and then I'm going to simplify the part that says 286 times 10 and make that 2,860 divided by 2. And then next I will say equals 1,430. Okay, and I need to make sure I've written these on the line here. So write 1,430 here. Okay, next we're on to part C, and that says 62 times 25. And I'm going to make this a different division problem here. I can think of 25 if I wanted to make this a division problem. I could say that that is 100 divided by 4. And we'll see in a moment why we're doing this. It's going to turn into 62 times 100 divided by 4. And now we can see why we did that, because this part's easier. Okay, we can do this in our head. It's 6,200. We just move the decimal 2 places to the right there. And then we can divide by 4. And we should get 1,550 after working that out. And we should write that on the line as well. So I should write 1,550 on the line. And then the next one here says 25 times 92. Okay, so how should we do this one? Well, we can think of this as 92 times 25 first. So we can switch the order so it kind of looks a little bit different. So let's just say this is 92 times 25, and now it looks just like the last problem. And I'm going to break that down into 92 times 100 divided by 4. Okay, and then we'll see in a moment why we did that. This is going to equal 9,200 divided by 4, and that is going to equal 2,300. Okay, so you should write 2,300. All right, we're looking at part E now, and it says 25 times 58 there. And the first thing I'll do, like I did in the last problem, is switch the order. So I'm just going to say this is 58 times 25. Okay, and then I need to break this down into the division problem. So I'm going to say this is 58 times 100 divided by 4. Okay, and then I'm going to simplify that part. And so that's going to equal 5,800 divided by 4. I could work that out. I could say 5,800 divided by 4. See how that works out. So that goes in there one time. 1 times 4 is 4. So my remainder is 1. Bring down my 8. And next, it looks like I have to take 4 goes into 18 4 times. And I have 4 times 4 is 16. So my remainder is 2. And I bring down the 0. Okay. And I take 4 times 5. I think that's going to do it. 4 times 5 is 20. All right. Minus that is 0 and 0. And that goes in there 0 times. So we have our answer there is 1,450. Okay, and then we should write that on the space there, 1,450 right there. And let's take a look at the whole page. All right, so those are our answers on page 126.